A very pleasant evening to one and all present here. This is Sanaya Singh from 11th Bio, standing before you all to teach you a very interesting topic, the leaf. Okay, so let's begin. First of all, what is leaf? Leaf is the lateral, generally flattened structure which is also called the kitchen of the plant. Means it is a structure, greeny part of the plant which is also called the kitchen of the plant, where the plants prepare their food. Now let us see what we are going to study. Venation, types of leaves, phyllotaxy and the leaf modification. So first of all, let me show you the parts of the leaf. See, this is a leaf, okay, and first part you can see this is the stem, which and then this is the petiole by which the leaf is connected to this stem, and then this is the extended part. This full is called the leaf lamina, okay, and then you can see this nerve like we human body have nerves. Similarly, the leaf have these veins. What is the role of these veins? These veins help in the transport of water and minerals which they take from the roots of the stem or the plant, and then they transport here, and then the food making process takes place. Okay, so now let us come on the venation. Okay, what is venation? Venation is simply the arrangement of these veins on the leaf. Okay, arrangement of veins on leaf. And there are two types of venation. You can see here the parallel venation and the reticulate venation. In a very short way, what is parallel venation? See, this is the leaf. What is parallel? These are not cutting or intersecting at any point, these veins. And in the reticulate venation, see, these veins are forming a network. So how can we define? Parallel do not intersect, and the reticulate a network forming. Okay, in parallel you can take the example of like grass, wheat, maize, and in reticulate you can take the example of like neem and China rose. Now let us come on the types of leaves. What are the types of leaves? There are two types of leaf. First simple, then compound leaf. See, the simple leaf, you can see this one. Why it is called the simple leaf? Because the leaflets, many of the leaflets are not connected. This is only the single leaf lamina. This is the leaf lamina. So this, and then the compound leaf, you can see there are several leaflets connected to a single branch. Okay, so this is called this what it is called, the compound leaf. The compound leaf are also of two types, pinnately compound and palmately compound. What is the pinnately compound and what is palmately compound? Just let us know these with a very simple examples only. First, palmately compound. Palm means this hatheli kind. So the structure forming like a palmately compound, you can see here. This is the palmately compound. The example is very simple. Cotton, you can see here. And in silk, you can also watch. You must observe this. And in the pinnately compound, you can see in neem. The several leaflets are connected. See here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. The several leaflets are connected. So this is the pinnately compound. Okay. This is the neem example. And then let us come on the phyllotaxy very soon. What is the phyllotaxy? The phyllotaxy is the arrangement of the leaves on the branch. Okay. Phyllotaxy is of three types: alternate, opposite, and whorled. Let us guys also know this with a very simple example, not wasting any time. First of all, the alternate. What is alternate? Like we say in assembly, like go one by one. Similarly, this means alternate. You can see here. See, a single leaf at a node. This is a node and a single leaf here. And then this leaf, then this leaf. So this is the alternate. What is the opposite? The two leaves are facing towards each other. See this and this. So this will be the opposite leaf. You can see here. This is the opposite leaf. See, two leaflets are facing towards each other. So this is opposite. And 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, then 6. So this is the alternate. This is the opposite. Next comes the fold one. So fold. This is a fold, forming a fold-like structure. Okay. So this is alternate, opposite, and fold. Now let us come on the leaf modifications. What is leaf modification? Can you guess what is the modification means? Yes, modifications means to change. And why do we change? We change, or anything in this universe change, because when it is not proper or it is not perfect. So similarly in this case, leaf change because of several purposes. For like, let us know very quickly. Protection, climbing, and storage purpose. Okay, protection, like you can see this one. These are the thorns for which, for what? The leaf develop these thorns for the protection from the grazing of animals. Okay. And then second one, climbing, like you can see this money plant. So this is the leaf modification. The tendrils are grown up, tendrils. And then the storage you can see here, this onion. You can see this fleshy leaves, here the storage. So this is the tendrils I told you, like in money plant. And this is in cactus, the spines for the protection. And then this is the storage purpose. So this was all about the leaf. Now let us recap. What is leaf? A kitchen of the plant where the food is prepared. Then venation. What is venation? There are two types, parallel, reticulate. This is the parallel. This one is reticulate, forming network. Types of leaves. There are two types of leaves, simple leaf, compound leaf. Simple leaf is this. Compound leaf is this. Phyllotaxy, arrangement of leaves. Like this one is alternate. This one is the opposite, facing towards each other. This one is the fold. Last one, leaf modification for protection, for climbing, and for storage. Okay, so I hope you understood this topic very well. Thank you. Happy learning.